In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Sector Summary. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from the big picture of market sectors down to specific industries and individual stocks, and how to read the key columns that help you quickly spot leadership and weakness. Start by heading to stockcharts.com. Once the homepage loads, navigate to Charts and Tools, then to Market Analysis, and choose Sector Drill Down. This brings you to the Sector Summary view, which is designed to rank market areas so you can see what's leading and what's lagging at a glance. At the top of the Sector Summary table, select a time frame that fits your approach. You can pick intraday for a real-time snapshot, or stretch it out to 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a full year. Changing the time frame recalculates performance for that period, so short-term traders might focus on intraday or weekly moves, while longer-term investors may prefer 3 to 6 months or a year to understand broader trends. You'll see the 11 S&P sector ETFs ranked by performance. These represent the major sectors of the market, shown from strongest to weakest based on the period you chose. The table includes several helpful columns. Symbol shows the ETF ticker. Last price gives the most recent trading price. Percent change reflects how much the sector moved over your selected time frame. Volume helps you gauge trading activity, and market cap provides the approximate size of the sector's holdings. You'll also see the SCTR score, which stands for Stockcharts Technical Rank. This is a 0 to 100 technical strength rating that blends multiple indicators. Higher SCTR values generally indicate stronger relative technical performance. To drill deeper, click any sector name in the list. This opens a ranked view of all the industry groups within that sector, using the same time frame. Now you can see which industries are driving that sector's strength or weakness. Compare percent change with SCTR to spot industries that are not only performing well, but also showing strong technical momentum. Next, click on an industry name to move down to the stock level. Here, you'll see all the stocks in that industry, ranked by performance and SCTR. This helps you identify the individual names leading the move. Glance at volume to confirm there's sufficient trading activity and use the rankings to create a focused list for further research. That's it. Go to stockcharts.com, open Sector Drill Down, pick your time frame, review sector rankings and columns, click a sector to view its industries, and click an industry to see the stocks. Use this workflow to move from market-wide trends to specific opportunities with confidence.